Incredible health benefits of chia seeds. If you are new to this channel, please do consider subscribing to this channel and give it a like, share and comment. Chia seeds, also called salpa chia or Mexican chia, are the edible seeds of a flowering plant from the mint family. Chia seeds may be small, but they are incredibly rich in nutrients, antioxidants, minerals, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acids, which may promote your heart health, support for strong bones, and improve your blood sugar management. Health benefits of chia seeds. Reduce free radicals. Antioxidants found in chia seeds can help to fight free radicals in your body. Free radicals cause oxidative stress and cell damage. Eating foods rich in antioxidants may help to reduce your threat of developing numerous health issues associated with free radicals, including heart disease, cognitive decline, and certain types of cancer. High in fiber. A diet with acceptable fiber helps prevent constipation and keeps the digestive tract healthy. Better heart health. Chia seeds contain quercetin, an antioxidant that can reduce your threat of developing several health issues, including heart disease. The seed also high in fiber, which can help to lower high blood pressure and in turn reduce your threat of developing heart disease. Improved blood sugar levels. Chia seeds slow down how snappily the body releases glucose, reducing the shaft in blood sugar that comes from eating carbohydrates. Studies show that fiber may help to reduce insulin resistance and improve blood sugar levels, reducing your threat of metabolic syndrome and type 2 diabetes. Reduced inflammation. Chronic inflammation can lead to health conditions like heart disease and cancer. Caffeic acid, an antioxidant found in chia seeds, can help to fight inflammation in the body. Eating chia seeds regularly may also help to reduce inflammatory markers, which frequently indicate the presence of an inflammatory disease. Healthier weight management. In addition to helping with digestive health, soluble fiber in the seeds may help people feel fuller for longer. So this can make high fiber foods useful for those trying to reach a moderate weight. Better bone health. Chia seeds have several nutrients that are vital for bone health, including magnesium and phosphorus. So if you find something informative in this channel, please do subscribe to this channel. Thank you.